Today we're going to talk about 3 easy fixes for low back pain. These are things you can do yourself and should be able to make you feel better in just minutes. Most people's back pain is just mechanical from your joints shifting a little bit, so we'll show you a way to correct it, how to stretch it, and then strengthen it to help keep it that way. So Lexi's going to demonstrate how to correct that back pain. So typically you do this on whatever side is hurting. Her right back is hurting, so she'll put her right hand behind her right thigh, left hand in front of her left thigh, and push down with her right leg, up with her left. You'll do this 3 times for 5 seconds. This will help correct the alignment. Once you've completed this, we'll do something to stretch it out to help keep it this way. She'll bring her right knee across her chest and pull up towards the shoulder. This will help stretch a muscle called your piriformis, helping to hold that correction we just did. We'll do that on both sides for 30 seconds. Once completed with that, we want to strengthen. This will help stabilize and keep that joint in place. So we'll bring both legs up at waist level, tightening your stomach muscles and pushing your back flat in, dropping one leg slowly so there's no space in your low back, and you'll do 10 of these. If you do this series 2 to 3 times a day for just a few days, this will significantly help or completely fix your back pain. If it's not helping, always consult a physical therapist. They'll help you get better quickly.